It's been a really good summer for the Utah Jazz. They finally made some moves to make themselves better as they try to make their way back into the playoffs. They brought in 3 veteran leaders with playoff experience who are going to make an impact from day one. Now, I have to wonder, even though they're going to be better, if they didn't mortgage a little bit of their future when they made these moves. What I'm talking about is giving away your number 12 pick to bring back George Hill. Now, this isn't a knock on George Hill because I really like him as a player and I think he's a good fit. But I think the number 12 pick has a lot of value. You can get all-stars, all-NBA players, and Hall of Famers outside of the top 12, and that happens pretty consistently. Now, all you have to do is look at this year's All-Star game to see where I'm coming from. 7 of this year's All-Stars were drafted outside the top 12. And you can't just give away a number 12 pick for a player who might only be here for a year